Hello everyone, this is Claude Fulinfo from Brisbane, and you are at Custom T-shirt Printing Online. We've done a couple of videos before this. One is how to use saved layouts in your designs, and the other is how to create a custom account so that you can go in and use previously used images or designs for your print jobs. Here I'm going to be sharing with you how to save an image so that when you want to use it in the future, you can go to save layouts and use it. And also the designs will be saved as well. So let's begin, okay? All right. The first thing is how to add an image. When you select a shirt, you'll be prompted to come to an interface that looks like this. And I suggest click the add design. There's another place where you can add a design by clicking the orange tab, and you'll come to this interface. By clicking this interface, we will then be prompted to add a design. You can also add text or team names at this stage, but in this example, it's going to be about designs or images or photos. Then you'll be prompted to upload an image. You can use My Uploads, but in this case, right now, My Uploads is highlighted and there are no images here. We will come back towards the end of this tutorial and we'll show you your saved image in My Uploads. But right now, there's nothing. So we're going to upload an image. We're going to go into your folder, your image folder on your desktop or your phone, upload an image, and that image is going to populate right in the design area. That is this rectangular dotted orange line. Drag and drop the image to suit the size you want, and you're good to go. Now, in this interface, I want to explain a few things. Let's start with the right-hand column. You'll see the front and back. If you want an image on the back, click that and then redo the whole process again by clicking add an image or add text, and that'll be added to the back of the shirt. You can also change the sizes here. You can add another size, add quantities, change the color for the shirt. Now, if you want to have multiple shirts, same style, different colors, you need to click on the buy button and then add on the pop-up window on the next page, click add a new design and start the process again. Check in my video tutorials for how that can be done, but it's pretty straightforward. Click the buy button, don't check out, look at the bottom left hand corner of the pop-up window, click add a new design, and you'll come to this interface. Change the product here, or leave the product but change the color, and then add the size and quantities. Remember, at this stage, if you're doing urgent orders, that's choosing from the same day t-shirt range, make sure your product that you choose has the same day wording against the product line. The best way to do that is to select the same day shirts that come down from this pop-up menu after clicking change product. So let's move on now to the next. So as I mentioned earlier, I walked you through the various parts of this page, so we'll skip this. Now I want you to focus on the bottom right hand corner. This is going to be very vital as a repeat customer, that you can use these interfaces right at the bottom so that you can access information to make your next print job very easy. So what are these four little icons right at the bottom? Let's look at them in a large view. The first one is the preview window. I'm going to show you each of these in a minute. Go to shopping, save your layout, and email your layout. Let's look at each one of them one by one. The preview window will look like this. So when you click the preview window down here, this will pop up and this will show you what your t-shirt will look like. Once you click the close button, you'll go back to the original interface. Now let's look at the next one. Add an item to the cart. Right now, there's no items added to the cart, even though it says 1 year, you haven't actually clicked the buy button. Once you click the buy button, this interface will change and a new interface will pop up saying that you have now got one item in the cart. You can either go back and start a new design like I mentioned a few minutes ago, and once you click that, then you can go and change the product, or you can change the color and create a whole new design, or you can check out. In this example, we're not going to check out. It's just a tutorial talking about the 4 icons at the bottom. So we're going to the next one now, which is save the layout. This is very important because I want to save this layout so that next time when I come to print a t-shirt with Lone Wolf, I have it already saved. I just upload it into my designer, maybe change the style of shirt or garment, change the color, and I can go straight to printing. So this is what it looks like. Now the last one that we look at is, so once you see this, I put this other slide in. See right down here it says your saved layout will be seen in your profile page. I'll take you to the profile page in a minute, but right now we'll focus on in case you like this design and a friend of yours likes this design, or you want them to get approval from them that this is good enough to go to print. So what you do is you click the last icon right down here. This window will pop up. Fill up all the details here and click send. They'll get an email. They'll be able to see this. They'll be able to okay that your design is fine, and then you can print. So for example, if you're doing it for your boss and you want his approval, send him or her an email with the design. They approve it, and then you can go to the shopping cart. So the next stage that we're looking at is this close button here. Okay, this close button, if whenever you click this close button, it'll take you back to your My Account page. Very important when you're switching between different layouts and you want to add a layout, then go back and add another layout. What you do is you click the update button, the buy button that adds to the shopping cart, then click the close button, and it takes you back to your original interface where you see My Account. Click the My Account button, you then get taken to your profile page. But wait a second, here in your profile page you notice some differences here. Instead of 0 designs and 0 saved profiles, you got 1. Remember we had saved the Lone Wolf? That has populated now here. So we're going to look at now the designs and save tabs one by one and see what has happened there. The first one is your saved designs. We see we've got one saved design, that's a Lone Wolf, and this is great. Okay, you can delete this design at any time. Okay, and now we go to the save layouts, and you notice your save layouts here. So if you want to edit the save layout and add it to an order, all you do is click this edit button. It'll take you to the interface again, and then you proceed to click the buy button, and you can proceed to checkout. It's so simple. Once you've got it set up here, you can just take it and go straight to checkout. Okay, it's all in another video, how to use save layouts in your designs. Now lastly, remember when we came to uploading images, I mentioned my uploads had nothing here. Right now we have your design, the Lone Wolf here. So this starts to populate as you put more and more designs. You can upload new images, okay, and as you use them and save them, they'll come up here. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. You get a lot out of it, and it'll help you with your designing and printing t-shirts. This is Claude here from Custom T-Shirts in Brisbane. Always here to help you. Thank you. Goodbye.
How many have you done now?
I did 2 this morning, 1 yesterday. So this really works around how customers can create an account. So what I noticed was sometimes, we got order and we got